Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down in that corner or that one, and that you got this bell right here turned all the way up so you get notified for any and every video upload, because your girl uploads daily and I go live every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 8 or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and we have loads of fun there. I absolutely love our beauty squad. It's phenomenal. Sorry you hear the kiddos in the background. My bad. But today's video, I have a unboxing of some goodies. Are you ready to see what I got? Are you ready to see? Somebody sent me something too. So I have a 2-for-1 deal. I have some Friendmail, and then I have an unboxing. Yay! If you want to see what I got in my little mini haul, please stay tuned. See you in a second. Yay! So you decided to stick around. Thank you so much. That absolutely means the world to me. And while I have you here, before we do these unboxings, if you would, please share out my content to any platform that you may have. I do plan on doing a really big giveaway whenever I hit 1,250. That is one of my personal goals, and y'all all know, as a beauty squad leader, I do plan on bringing all my squad members up with me. So helping me grow helps you grow. Please, please, please share me out if you don't mind. If it's a hassle, don't worry about it. But just tell a friend. Tell one friend. I value each and every one of y'all, and I'm so appreciative to have each and every one of y'all. I am trying my hardest to start improving my channel a little more, as in quality-wise, which I did have a damper yesterday on my iPad. It did shatter. For y'all that missed my live last night, let me show y'all what happened to me yesterday. $800. And y'all, can I just take a second and say thank you to each one of y'all that were on my live last night and donated and helped me so much. And Adventures with Senia, I will leave her link down below, because I have to give her a special shout out. She did do an epic giveaway. She did a Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 with a Pat McGrath mini on my giveaway, on my live last night as a giveaway. And all you had to do was donate $5 to my chat, and we gathered up quite a bit, and it's so amazing to see each one of y'all just do all that y'all can do for this community. And I love y'all and thank y'all, and I can never express how grateful I am to have each one of y'all. So thank you, each one of y'all that were just there to show me support, each one of y'all that donated, each one of y'all that entered. Congratulations, Bobby, for winning it. It's epic. Can't wait till you get both palettes and get to try them out, because I love both of mine, 2 pieces. So yeah, so I'm beyond grateful, which I already knew how this community was, and I knew how great it was, but last night was mind-blowing, because I got in a dilemma to where that kind of interferes with my quality, because my iPad is a lot better quality than my phone, and that's where I edit and stuff at. So I'm going to try to do it on here. If it ain't the best, sorry guys, just FYI. I will get it fixed as soon as I can. It does take a little bit for the money to roll in from YouTube, so just bear with me with my content right now. I do continue to keep posting every day. That will not stop. I cannot let it stop. I don't let nothing get me down, and I just push through and try to do the best I can do. So jumping into these unboxings. Y'all ready to see this? First, I want to do my Friendmail. My amazing Bobby Loves Beauty, and I will leave her link down below. She sent me something so sweet, y'all, and I could not wait. I had to open it, but y'all gonna be shocked. So, this is legit my first box from Sephora. I've never ordered from Sephora. I did recently just use my birthday gift card from JCPenney Sephora, and I still haven't received that, but this is legit from Sephora. So the first item I'm picking up, this is the Suna Secrets Pro Cosmetics Professional Grade Makeup Brush Cleaner. This is quick dry rinse free formula. It kills 99.99 bacteria free. This is a Lazy Girl brush cleaner, and this was not cheap. Not cheap at all. But I am beyond grateful, Bobby. Thank you so much for that. She don't like me on my feet no more than what I have to be, and that way I can clean my brushes quick, fast, in a hurry and be done with it. So I am very appreciative. And oh my God, I'm smelling these right here. And then she sent me some samples, and this is the conditioner and shampoo. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Joha sample set. Oh my God, it smells so good. Then we have a Huda Beauty You Deserve the Best Lashes. Major volume, curl and insane length. Trial. So this is basically a 2-in-1 deal. If you was to buy the regular one, it's like 2 brushes in one, and they send it in a sample size. So I have 2 mascara sample sizes. I can't wait to try it out. And this is what the packaging looks like. And then we have a Gennaro Armani Lip Mastro Intense Favorite Velvet Color 501. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Look at that pinky color. It like matches my shirt. I cannot wait. Oh, look at the little doe. That's a really pretty color. Like, that's not too dark. And I could put that on the outside and like ombre it out. Oh, I can't wait. Cannot wait. I'm gonna put that front and center with my MAC. And see, that's what it kind of looks like rubbed out. So you like ombre it out, whatever you want to do with it. Now to my next haul. And this is the company I've ordered from before, which they actually shipped out pretty quickly this time. This is from Morphe. And I'm so excited because there's a couple items in here that Karen MUA made me buy. And I'm blaming Karen. But the first thing I bought was the Morphe times Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trios, which I will save those to try out soon. And I will explain why later. But just know these will be coming up shortly to try. I've never tried any Morphe sponges, so that would be exciting to try. I've heard good things, I've heard bad things, I've heard mixed reviews, but like I tell y'all, every time I do a review, everyone's different. Everyone is different. So, with that being said, when everyone is different, everyone's taste is different, performance, and so far, so far. So what might not work for one person might work for the other. The best way to kind of get a grip on items that you're not sure of, watch a couple of reviews and not just one. And even if it's one of your favorite YouTubers, still go in and watch a couple more just in case, because like I said, freaking ants, y'all. I'm about to I hate ants. Sorry. I do love to give my honest review and my honest opinion, but at the same time, I would like y'all to have y'all's own. So that's why I say try out a couple of different channels that is reviewing the same product and just see kind of how their taste is. Especially if you know their personality already and you know like their preference, because it really depends on face texture, how you apply it, and so far, so forth. There's so much to include when it goes out to a review. So to each their own. So, this is my next item. These are the Morphe Tidy Tips. And there's 80 in here. And I got this for like $3. And there's some fat ones. There's some round ones. Out! I swear, my youngins, y'all. Yeah, there's a couple of fat ones in here. There's a couple of flat ones. They're all a little different. But that's what the bottoms look like. And that's the top. These are absolutely perfect for like cleaning that wing up. And yeah, all know your girl's got to practice a little bit more on my wing, so that is going to help me on that, hopefully. Now to the palettes, to the good stuff, I got the 35C Everyday Chic from Morphe. This one was retailed for close to $30, I think. I can't remember. It wasn't that bad. These are the shades. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't have a lot of pastel colors or muted colors, so I thought this palette was awesome for that. I'm loving the greens. I'm loving the pinks and the purples and the cool tones. And if you like cool tones, you will like this palette just because of like these right here. These. Like there's a lot of cool tone colors in this palette. And I love the case. It's like really pretty. So that's that one. And last but not least, like I told y'all, it was a very mini haul. I got the Morphe times Mini Zingler. Look how gorgeous this package is. And I cannot wait to try this palette out. I mainly got this palette because of the colors in it. I do not own any colors like this. And I'm beyond excited to try this out. Oh, I'm loving the detail. Look at the little kiss right here. But this is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, can I just say, like, whew, whew. Add a little mirror and look at these shades. This palette with that palette is going to be bomb. Just saying. And this one was, I want to say like 25. But she's got like the mint, the yellow, the blue. She's got, I want to say, all 4 of these on her lid for the picture. Yeah. Maybe even some of that. I don't know. I would like to try to recreate the look. Let me see. Yeah. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. But I want to swatch some of these because they're just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So let's see. I'm loving this yellow, by the way. They feel so creamy, like velvety. Look at that. Like these are, and I'm loving these stamps. Do you see the stamps in them? They got cute little stamps. They got a butterfly. They got an angel, like little stars. They got a heart. They got an eye. They got a lip. And that's pretty much it. Oh, yes. Buddy. Look at those shades. Like, even that yellow. I'm not the best swatcher, but that yellow looks really pretty. This would be gorgeous with a very light eyeshadow primer or concealer. That way it'll make it pop really good. So, yes. I'm loving these names. Butterfly Fancy, Maddie Girl, M3, To the Moon and Back, Godmom, Crushed, Angel. And there wasn't a lot of kick up in the pan, but that's my swatching. Angel, Latte, Kenny, Dancing Queen, Like Butter, 5, Cheese, Assist, Mint, Godfather, ASAP, Go Home, Posse, and Miniature, Maintain, I don't know that last one. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I cannot wait to review this for y'all. So stay tuned if you would like to see how this palette and how the 35C Everyday Chick works out for me. Stay tuned. Hopefully that will be coming very, very soon. I'm going to try to get that out tomorrow for y'all. Or I might even do it on a live. All depends. I do have a review coming up for Tatted Brow. It is a microbladed pencil for your eyebrows. I got it off of Instagram. It wasn't too bad. It was like $38 for 2 of them, which it wasn't bad. It was cheaper to buy one because one was like almost $20, so you save money for buying 2. I've been testing it out here and there and trying to get the hang of it because they are a little different than just pencils or pomades because they have the 3 strokes in it. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for these. Stay tuned for me to review my brush cleaner. Y'all know I like to try everything out for y'all and give y'all my honest opinion about it. So, I love y'all. Thank you for watching. And if you stayed to the end, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Even if you didn't stay to the end, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It does help me a lot. I love y'all. Peace.